Happy morning, children. Now we will solve practice set 6.2, the first question. Now in the first question they have said, observe the table given below. This table you have to observe. Check and decide whether the individuals have to pay income tax. Now here individual's name has been given, age has been given, taxable income. And they have asked the question, will have to pay income tax or not? So we have to write yes or no whether they have to pay or not. So the first is Miss Nikita. Her age is 27 years and her taxable income is 2,34,000. Now what is the meaning of taxable income? Suppose if there is any savings, then those savings have been deducted. Savings or to Prime Minister Relief Fund, whatever is given, that has been deducted and taxable income they have got it and that has been written. So on this taxable income only you have to decide whether they have to pay tax or not. Now age is 27 years. So we have to see which table? First table. For the first table, do you remember? Age up to 60 years. And here 2,34,000 is the taxable income. So we will just see the table 1. See here. Table 1. Individuals up to the age of 60 years. This is the table. And taxable income is 2,34,000. So in which slab it will come? See now, taxable income slab up to rupees 2,50,000. Income tax is nil. Education says nil. Secondary and higher secondary nil. And here the for Nikita the taxable income is 2,34,000. So up to rupees 2,50,000 you don't have to pay any income tax. Okay, so for this category, exemption up to 2,50,000 is there. You don't have to pay income tax. So she has to pay. So they have asked the question, no? Whether Miss Nikita, age 27, 2,34,000 taxable income. So what we will write here? No, Nikita does not have to pay any income tax. But we will, in the exam, what has to be done? Suppose 1 mark question comes. What will you write? You will have to mention here, see, like this, age 27 years, taxable income 2,34,000. For this category, when we are seeing the taxable income and the age for this category, exemption up to rupees 2,50,000 as per table 1. Table 1 I showed you all. Okay, and income is less than 2,50,000. So what we will write? Income is less than 2,50,000. Okay, so what we will write? Therefore, Miss Nikita will, see what they have asked, will have to or will not have to. Will have to pay income tax or not. So what we will write? Will not. Will not have to pay income tax. See, if it is less than 2,50,001, then no, because 2,50,000 also you don't have to pay. It is actually 2,50,001 comes, then you have to pay. Will not have to pay income tax. So now the second and third part is very easy that you can do. Second one is what? Mr. Kulkarni. Age is 36. Then again you have to see which one? First table 1 up to age 60. And here it is 3,27,000. Now without seeing the table also you can say up to rupees 2,50,000 you don't have to pay income tax. But here it is 3,27,000. So it is the exemption up to only 2,50,000 is given. So what we will write? It is income is more than 2,50,000. Therefore he has to pay. So the answer is same only. The method is same only. Instead you have to write here more than 2,50,000 and Mr. Kulkarni has to pay. Like that you should be able to write. So age is what? 30 years. So age 30 years. Then, so for the second question, age 30 years, taxable income 3,27,000. So again, for this category, exemption up to rupees 2,50,000 as per table 1, because it is up to 60 years. Then just now we saw that table. So income is more than 2,50,000. So as I said, here it was less. Now it is more. Income more than 2,50,000. Okay. So what Mr. Kulkarni? He has to pay the income tax. So what we will write? Therefore, Mr. Kulkarni will have to pay the income tax. Now next one, the third one is again Miss Mehta, age 44. Now orally you tell me 5,82,000. Now 5,82,000, 44, again table 1 up to age 60, and same answer here it is. 5 lakh, exemption up to 2,50,000 only for this also. So same method, answer is exactly what we wrote here. Only instead of Mr. Kulkarni, you will write Miss Mehta will have to pay the income tax because it is more than 2,50,000. So this answer also is yes, Miss Mehta. This you can do it. Now only see the fourth one. Now for the fourth one, the age is 64. So age is 64 means between 60 to 80 years. Table 2 you have to see. And here the taxable income is 8,40,000. So Mr. Bajaj we have to check for 64 age and 8,40,000. See now. So for Mr. Bajaj we will see the second table, 64 years. See, senior citizen age 60 to 80 years. So 64 will come in this bracket, age 60 to 80 years. So he is earning 8,40,000. Now see here, up to exemption is up to 3 lakhs. If they are paying, if they are having income 3 lakhs, then they don't have to pay income tax. Nil. More than 3 lakh. Now 8,40,000 is too much. So he has to pay income tax. Okay, so it can be seen very clearly. Only till 3 lakh there is exemption. So Mr. Bajaj, what see here I have written, age 64 years, taxable income 8,40,000. For this category, exemption up to rupees 3 lakh. This you should remember, age 60 to 80 years. In MCQ question it can come. So as per table second, income more than 3 lakh, right? So Mr. Bajaj will have to pay the income tax. So income more than 3 lakh. Therefore, Mr. Bajaj will have to pay the income tax. Now, fifth one you see, Mr. De Silva, age is 81 years. So, it will not come in table 1, table 2. Above 80, that is, we have discussed this. Taxable income is 4,50,000. So, let us see table 3 and check whether Mr. De Silva has to pay income tax or not. See here, super senior citizen, age above 80 years. So, Mr. De Silva comes in this bracket, age group of above 80 years. So, now if age is above 80, then up to rupees 5 lakh, nil income tax. You don't have to pay income tax. And what is his taxable income? 4,50,000. So, Mr. De Silva, he does not have to pay income tax. So, you write age, taxable income and complete the sum. See here, I have just written this, age 81 years means above 80 years. Taxable income 4,50,000. So exemption is up to 5 lakh. That you should remember, 5 lakh. So it is less than 5 lakh. his taxable income is less than 5 lakh. So he does not have to pay income tax. So here just write D Silva apostrophe yes it is. And will not have to pay income tax. Just do this little correction.